Alright, hey everyone, this is Steadfast2277. Welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is we're going to change the fuel filters on this 2005 Chevy 2500 HD Duramax truck. Now what we're going to use here is we're going to use the cat filter.
What this truck has the cat filter adapter, which allows you to run the cat 1 micron filter, which is a better filtration and cheaper filtration system than the original AC Delco system. And the tools you're going to need for this is, it's good to have an oil filter wrench, and you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to take off the plastic wheel well and then to end up bleeding the system. Alright, now we're going to take off the plastic wheel well. You want to try to apply at these tabs, pull them out, and then come pry behind it, pull out the second piece. Just like that. Now that you've taken off all the clips for the plastic wheel well, you're going to want to take it out. And now, as you can see over here, your filter is going to be right there, and you're going to want to twist it off, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and replace it. Alright, so now you're going to want to take your oil filter adapter, slip it over the filter, and you're going to want to twist it. Popped right off. As you can see, it's full of diesel fuel. You're going to want to dump that into see, there was a little bit of rust and some water inside the filter. So now that you have your filter off, you're going to want to go around, you're going to want to clean it, get all the debris out of there. You're going to want to make sure all your seals are there and in good condition, and just go around cleaning it. So now you're going to want to open your filter carefully. Don't get any debris or plastic inside it. You see, with this, they advise you not to add diesel fuel inside the new filter. I mean, if you can if you want. I never do. So now what you're going to want to do, it's like putting a regular oil filter on. You're going to want to grease up, lube up this seal on top so it sticks better to the adapter. You're going to want to add oil. Now you're going to want to screw the adapter onto the filter. Make sure it's tight enough. You don't want it leaking. And now we're going to put it back on. I feel like this was easier on my last truck. More room. Make sure you're tightening it like you should be, and you're not feeling too much resistance, because you'll strip out the threads and you'll have to change the whole housing, and you don't want to do that. Take your oil filter adapter, I love when that happens. Put it on pretty snug and just wipe everything down. Check over your work. Now it's time to bleed the system. So now what you're going to want to do, you want to take a 13mm socket, and you want to break this bolt on top of the fuel filter housing. That is what's going to bleed the system. You don't have to take it all the way off. You just want to crack it so air can get through. Now this is your prime bubble. You're going to want to prime the fuel into the filter. And this process takes quite a bit of time, but it has to be done.
So what you want to do is you just want to tighten it back up. Then you're going to start priming the bubble again. You can see it's coming out now. I'm going to tighten it back up.
I'm going to do it one more time. Like I said, you don't want to over tighten that bolt. It's a plastic bolt, so you'll strip it very easy. Now it's getting really hard to push, which is good. We're going to open it one more time. You're going to see diesel spraying out, and that's good. That means there's fuel in the system. Now it's time to start the truck. You're going to want to check for any leaks in the system. And as it's running, you can put your plastic wheel well back on.